Greetings everybody, welcome to this masterclass, and every July is always our month of training. I have summarized this training into a comprehensive audiovisual training. It's a 7 days course and you're going to handle the whole poultry business and set up into 7 classes. And the first class is how to start a poultry business. How to start. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, join our family, watch our videos. We have so much educative content, not only in poultry, but smart agribusiness ideas. Remember to like and share as much as you can. So, how do I start a poultry business? How do I start a poultry farming business? My friend, poultry farming is not a walk in the park. It's not just because you watch very nice videos on the internet, on Facebook, on YouTube, and you say, this is the business I want to venture in. So you take all your life's time savings, or you take all your investments and you direct them into poultry without much knowledge. You have to be very careful. So how do I start a poultry business? Not only a poultry business, but a successful poultry business. There are 3 key things that will guide you. 1 is the market. And 2 is the capital. And lastly, available resources, or resources at your disposal. My friend, my brother, my sister, my mom, don't dare you venture into a business because you've seen somebody doing it and so you want to copy and paste, or you might be in for a rude shock. First, establish a market. Do your due diligence and see, where is my market? How far will it be from my farm? What is the cost of transportation from my farm to the market? Does my market require any other additional thing from what I produce? For example, there are people who get broiler birds from their farm and they sell them as they are without being slaughtered. That is what their market wants. There are people who slaughter their birds and sell them as dressed birds. That is what their market wants. There are people who slaughter their birds, then dress them, then divide them into parts, package them according to parts, like drumsticks, like the wings. That is what their market wants. So that is why it is important that you first identify your market. I can be producing eggs, but my market dictates that I want kienyeji eggs. I will sell kienyeji eggs. I can be producing eggs, but my market dictates that I need fertilized eggs. So I will produce that. I can be producing eggs, but my market dictates that I want table eggs. I will produce that. Remember, when you have a market, an identified market, an easy market, then even production becomes easy for you because you'll simply produce, deliver without much hassle, or even the consumers will come for the produce at your farm. So once you identify the market, then you look at the capital. You can approach it from 2 angles. Someone will say, I have this amount of money, I then need to invest. So you then break down that money into that particular investment. Don't just budget for buying chicks alone. Remember, there are feeds, there's labor, but the person will take care of the birds. There is somebody who is going to be around and monitor for you like a consultant. And there are also equipment that you're going to use. And then the locally available resources. I am going to discuss on how to start a poultry, not even a poultry, a successful poultry business in details in our masterclass. Remember, the deadline is 3rd, which is Saturday, $30, and you'll be in for the masterclass and get a comprehensive manual. So let's meet in class starting Monday. Deadline for registration is 3rd.